Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Nokia X100 from Metro by T-Mobile. So the Nokia X100 is now here at Metro. This is a new budget mid-range smartphone from Metro. It's available now as of November 19th. So quick specs on the phone. You guys have a 48 megapixel main camera on the back, up to 2 days of battery, and 5G of course. So there's a phone there in front of you. So the full retail price of the Nokia X100 is $259.99. T-Mobile is selling this phone full retail price at $249.99. So there's a $10 difference there. But if you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys can get the Nokia X100 for free when you guys switch to Metro. So that's pretty cool there. So let's go ahead and check out the Nokia X100 here. So yeah. So on the front of the phone, you guys have your whole punch for your front facing camera, earpiece above that, power and bang piece on the right side of the phone there. And your power button is also your fingerprint sensor as well. On the back of the Nokia X100 is your camera sub. You guys do get 4 cameras on the rear, along with your camera flash and your Nokia logo and whatnot. It's available in this midnight bluish color. So yeah, I'm not a fan of the color though. I'm not a fan of it, but the phone does look very nice in my opinion. On the left side of the Nokia X100, here is your micro SD card and SIM card slot, along with your Google Assistant key on the left. Taking it to the top now, y'all guys will have a noise cancellation microphone on top. You flip it to the bottom here, you guys will see some familiar things on here. Headphone jack, which is very nice to have because a lot of phones now are not coming with the headphone jack, so it's very nice that this phone has one. You guys also have a microphone, Type-C charging port, and your speaker on the bottom. So it says here a full HD plus display, immersive OZO audio technology, and super fast streaming with 5G connectivity makes the Nokia X100 your ideal entertainment wingman. Plus facial recognition and fingerprint sensor keeps everything safe while still giving you quick access. So you do get facial recognition on here as well, so that's pretty cool. So you guys have a choice of facial recognition or fingerprint, so pretty cool there. So like I said, you guys do get 4 cameras on the back, a 48 megapixel camera with a ultra wide lens, depth lens, and a macro lens on the rear for professional shots. To 5G connectivity for unmatched speeds on a nationwide 5G network, up to 2 days of battery life with quick charge technology that keeps you ready for action. Thrilling sight and sound with a 6.67-inch Full HD plus display and immersive OZO audio technology with the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset and 5G network capability on board. The Nokia X100 is ready for today and built for tomorrow. It has a Snapdragon 480 processor, guys. If you guys are wondering what the processor it is, Snapdragon 480. So yeah. Like I said, if you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys can get the Nokia X100 for free when you guys switch to Metro. That's in the stores only, so check that out if you guys are interested. It says here, when you switch and trade in an eligible device, plus T-Mobile's powerful 5G network is included with every Metro point and extra cost. So you guys have to trade in the phone, trade in a device. So yeah. So you guys get 2 days of battery life, 6.67-inch 4G plus display, Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, Snapdragon 480, 48 megapixel quad camera array with Zeiss optics, which is a Nokia feature. 5G connectivity, of course. Take your best shot. The Nokia X100 48 megapixel quad camera with Zeiss optics and AI SS lets you shot cinematic quality footage up to 2 days of battery life. The extra large battery and quick charge technology keeps your device ready for action. So if you guys are curious of what the battery menu looks like, there you go. But it also depends on your usage though. If you guys are a heavy user, y'all guys will get less than 2 days. If you guys are a light user, y'all guys will get 2 days or possibly more. 6.67 inch Full HD Plus display. Experience thrilling sights and sound with a 6.67 inch Full HD Plus display and immersive audio technology. Just a little video there if you guys want to check that out. In this video it looks black here, but it's not. It's a midnight blue color. So yeah. I guess the way the light's hitting the back of it looks black on here. I wish the frame wasn't black. I wish it was, because I think the frame would look better in black in my personal opinion. The blue color, I'm just not a fan of it personally. But if you guys want to check out that video, y'all guys can check it out. So anyways, the Nokia X100 comes with Metro Play. Says I get more from your new phone with Metro Play. This phone includes Metro Play, an app offering created content from over 90 of today's most popular channels, all for free. If you guys want to learn more about Metro Play, y'all guys can click on learn more to know more about Metro Play if it interests you. Device specifications, it's pretty good. Like I said, this is a budget mid-range smartphone here. Y'all guys get 128 gigabytes of storage with 108 gigabytes available to the user. It either has 4 gigs or 6 gigabytes of RAM. Display 6.67 inches Full HD Plus. That's 1080 by I think 2400 pixels with 395 ppi. 48 megapixel camera with ultra wide depth and macro lenses for professional style shots. I don't know the other specs on the cameras. It's probably like a 5 megapixel ultra wide, then a 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro lens. I'm not really sure. You do get a micro SD card slot up to 1 terabyte, mobile hotspot, talk time up to 25 hours, Android 11, Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G processor, which is an octa-core processor. The Nokia X100 weighs 7.65 ounces. And yeah, if you guys are looking for some accessories on the Nokia X100, y'all guys can look here. But y'all guys can also try Amazon to see if they got any accessories for this phone on Amazon. I'm not sure if it's there yet, but yeah, you can give Amazon a try, or you can go to Nokia's official website to look up accessories. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Nokia X100 is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. It is available as of November 19th. If you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys can get the Nokia X100 for free when you guys switch and trade in an eligible device. Full retail price is $259.99. For retail price at Metro, it's $249.99 at T-Mobile. So it's a $10 difference there. So yeah, it's a very nice looking phone. Pretty great specs for what it is. I don't like the blue color. I really don't. If it was in black, I think it would look a lot better in black, in my personal opinion. But that's just me. Some of you guys might dig the blue color, but me, I just don't dig it. But other than that, the phone looks very nice. It has great features on it, specs and whatnot. And so not bad for a budget mid-range phone like this. So yeah, so there you guys have it. The Nokia X100 is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.